This is our year 9 notes, and it's unit 9, and we're looking at rotation. So the first thing is order of rotational symmetry. A shape has rotational symmetry when it can be rotated or turned about a center point called the center of rotation and will still look the same. We said the shape below will have rotational symmetry of order 3. So there's 3 ways that this could fit onto itself. And if you think about that shape, then that will be the way it works. If you have a wee shape like this, kind of 4 wee flags, that would have order 4. There's 4 ways as you rotate that round that would fit onto itself. If you have a hexagon and a regular hexagon, it would be order 6. As you rotate it around, there's 6 different ways and it's going to fit onto itself. On then the rotation, so you should be able to rotate a shape. To draw a rotation, you can use tracing paper to rotate the shape the angle described in the question. Draw the image of the triangle ABC after 90 degrees clockwise rotation about 1, 1. This is quite a tough one here, and it wouldn't actually get any harder for a GCSE question, so let's see if we can follow this. So it's been rotated about the point 1, 1. I'm at home here and I don't have any tracing paper, but I went down to the kitchen and I got some greaseproof paper and it works just as well. So if we can see this here, my advice is whenever you're setting it up is to kind of set it up like this, so it's kind of in line with the lines there, do you see? If you set it up like this, it's quite hard to rotate then 90 degrees. So if we set it like this, and if I do my point 1, 1, which you can see here, and then do my triangle, which as you can see here, and then we'll rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So I'm just going over this on the greaseproof paper. So there we go, and just do it as accurately as you can. And clockwise, of course, is going to be going this way. So I then put my pencil here. It looks funny on the video, but it's kind of right on the point there. Hopefully you can see that's on the point 1, 1. And then I rotate 90 degrees clockwise, and hopefully we can see then where it's going to land. So let's rotate this round. And it's easy to see then whenever we rotate it around 90 degrees, because it should then kind of link up then to these. So you see then my kind of points where it's going to land. So that corner is just going to be the same as the corner there. That's the point -1, 0, and then down 1 then from there. So I should be able to do a quick change and put those points there. So that's then marked on. And now I can draw my shape. You can do it without tracing paper, but it's much, much, much harder. Tracing paper is the way to go, and actually in your GCSE maths you can put your hand up and say, can I have some tracing paper please, if you have a rotation question then to do, and that would work it out then for there. So let's go a wee bit further and mark on our points. The point C has been rotated and it's here. If you can see that, we're going to call that C dash. The point A is going round to here, so that's A dash, and then B dash is going to be here. So that's it rotated round. Okay. A wee bit of tougher bit again. You should be able to describe a rotation. So this one has been moved around from here to here, and we then need to try and describe the rotation and work out then where it's going from. So let's see. If I again mark this on here, and we're trying to work out where the center of rotation is. I hope people can see that that's been rotated around 90 degrees. And it's been rotated 90 degrees clockwise, which we just need to find the center of rotation and see what's going to work. Uh-oh. This is easier said than done here. Okay, so there is my shape A, and then if I rotate it round, so let's pick a point that we think might work. So I'm going to pick there. Let's see if I rotate it around there. No, you see that doesn't land on the right shape. Let's move this up so we can see. That hasn't landed right, so let's pick a different point and see if that's going to work. Try this one. No, and it's just a question of kind of sensible guesses. That's too high. So I'm just going to go then a wee bit lower and see if I can get it to work out. I'll try this one. Maybe the one I try getting closer, maybe, are we? And then we're going to try this one. Oh, nearly. Or is it? Is it this one? There we go, and that's landed on the point there. So where's my center of rotation? It's going to be this point here. I don't know if you can read that through. It's going to be -1, -1. So there's my center of rotation. So let's describe our rotation. So it is a rotation. It is 90 degrees clockwise about, and what was our coordinate then? -1, -1, -1, -1.